0, 1. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.
All things JDM
with a Z. Fire, boy! Fire! Oh my God.
Stay tuned.
ここまで来てくださいね。ここまで。
Hey, and we're back. So, believe it or not, Max is visiting again for his second All Things JDM Tokyo tour. And I'm very happy and excited because he can drive manual. Believe it or not, the last guy that came here on a free hashtag All Things JDM Tokyo tour could not drive manual. So he could not help me do these small things like pull the car out of the parking space. No big deal, right? No, we're cool. We're cool. All right, so here we have a 1999 Toyota Chaser Tour V twin turbo, or no, single turbo. This is not a twin turbo car. So this one is manual. What? Oh, the key must still be on. Oh, there we go. Manual. We got the double din there. Ooh. Ooh. There's a lot going on in here. I like it. I love the Chasers, man. I don't want one anymore, but I had one. They sound amazing. They sound really, 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 really good. This one looks good. I don't know if it's supposed to be black in there, but it's all black, which is dope. We got an intake, we got some piping, we got some intercooler piping. So all the hard stuff seems like it's already done. We got an upgraded radiator. Let me hear what this thing sounds like. Nice. Let me get a couple revs, Max. Nice. I like it. I like it. So it's got this wide, or the hood is like super big, which is cool. It's got this full body kit going on, which is cool. Sunroof, which is cool. You know what I'm saying? This is cool. That's cool. Interior looks cool. It's got a lot of Greddy parts. I'm noticing like Greddy that, Greddy steering wheel, Greddy radiator. It's got Got a lot of Greddy parts. Whoever had this car, I guess they were really into Greddy, I guess. Underneath, good. Oh, so this one's here. So if you need this one, let me know.
This is massive.
Can we get a picture right there?
Massive.